How to fix voicemail notification not working in Moto G Stylus. First of all, turn off do not disturb. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration. Click on do not disturb and click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, allow notification. Open setting. Scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app search. Voicemail. Now click on voicemail. Click on notification. Now here you will see notification button, and if you want to allow notification, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, allow notification from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset device setting, and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail notification not working in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.